Welcome to Jaimini Restaurant. I am Chef Vivasva. I am responsible for planning menus, ordering foodstuff, and overseeing food preparations. I hire and supervise kitchen staff and manage kitchen operations. I experiment with food to create new menus and dishes for customers. This famous chef and this is my stove and it's my oven. We use only fresh vegetables and fruits. It's so healthy. It's made of fresh fruits and it is good for your health and it will make you very, very strong then. Can you guess which state from it is?
Punjabi.